Hello everyone, my name is Ardi Ramdhani. Today I will answer the reading test. 1. Title of the article. My title of article is Integrating Digital Literacy in EFL Teaching and Learning Context a Systematic Literature Review. And number 2. Article information. The article is A. Author. Author is Ansley Sudirman, Afriya, Dian, Preston, Adriva, Vitali, Gamilang, Nanang Bagus, Subekti, Iftinanul Hahma, Jeka, Setyo Kerjono, Jennifer Marcus, and B. Amplification, Department English of Language Education, Universitas Senajawijayata, Tamanisiswa, Yogyakarta, Indonesia, and C. Compresoding untuk Gmail Nesel Mus Sudirman at Gmail Use Jogja XCID. And the name of journal Jejak Digital, Jurnal Ilmiah Multidisiplin. A. Journal volume. The volume is 1, number is 4. 1 year publication of 2025 and Gmail in this. And then number 3, information found in the abstract. The abstract explains that the study aims to examine how digital literacy is integrated into EFL classroom to enhance student engagement, language acquisition, and teaching practice. It also indicates major challenges faced by teachers and students, such as limited digital infrastructure, lack of access to technology, and influence. Teacher training. Using the Prisma framework, the study and reviewing and 2000 article published between 2020 and 2025. The finding highlight the positive role of digital tools such as digital media platform, game-based learning, and online resource in the creating interactive and the motivation EFL learning environment. Number 4. Users' objective and importance. The objective of the research were 1. To investigate how digital literacy integration strengthens student engagement, language acquisition, and teaching practice in EFL context. 2. To identify challenges faced in implementing digital literacy strategy. And number 3. To analyze the pedagogical and theoretical implication of digital literacy in EFL education. The research was critical because digital literacy has become an essential competency in 2001 century education. Despite in the environment, many EFL teachers and the students still face barrier in effective using digital tools. This study has bridged that gap. The strategies can research finding and offering advance based in insight to improve EFL teaching and learning practice in the digital era. Number 5. Research novelty and different from previous student. Unlike previous students that mainly focus on the single context, specific tools or limit participant, this research is different because this employment and semantic literature review using the Prisma framework. It scientists finding from 20 peer review studies across multi countries and education level, and the 2022 for the 2025. The approach provide the broad, more comprehensive understanding of digital literacy interaction in EFL, including benefit, challenge, and amplification, rather than isolated results from individual studies. Number 6. quote in the introduction. 3. Excerpt in theoretical quotation mentioned it. The introduction are 1. Bartolo in the Solitude and the 2020 argue that digital literacy in question goes to beyond supplementary teaching and the context classroom learning with real world communication. And number 2, Burdett 2011 states that teacher personal and professional identity influence how they engage with digital technology in education context. Number 3, Al Higher 2020 highlight the gap between student perceived digital literacy and tired actual digital performance, embracing need for the target resource. Number 8. Subject and characteristic. The subject of the research were 20 select journal article from an attendee pool in the approximately and the 80,000 data collection and analysis. Data will collect through database search in Google Scholar, Scopus, and Web Science using specific keyword related to digital literacy and EFL. The research apply inclusion and inclusion criteria to select relevant study. Data analysis was conducted qualitatively through systematic analysis, coding, measure time, such as student engagement, teaching practice challenge, and digital tools. The findings were cited narratively and present in the thematic table. Number 10. Final useful for English education school. Finding of the research are highly beneficial for English educational student, particularly an understanding evolving roles of digital literacy in EFL teaching and learning. The study demonstrated that digital literacy significantly enhanced study engagement and language acquisition and enabling interactive student-centered learning and enforcement digital tools such as online platform, multimedia resource, and games-based learning, according learning actively practice language skill and traditional classroom. For English educational students, this research highlights the importance of developing not only linguistic competence but also digital competence to meet modern educational demonstration. The finding emphasizes that future teachers must be digital literacy to digital effective learning, effective access student digital and guide limit infrastructure and insuficiency. Teacher training reminder perspective teacher to adaptive and innovation to overcoming contextual limitation. Importantly, the student enrollment English education student is reflect on higher professional identity as future EFL teacher. Digital literacy is not merely a technical skill but an integral part of pedagogy, curriculum design, and classroom practice. By understanding this finding, English educational students can better prepare themselves to integrate technology meaningful promote critical digital literacy, and create inclusive learning environment and the align with 21st century educational goals. Okay, thank you for your attention. Thank you.